In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or switch to dark mode on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select where it says personalization. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select colors. Where it says choose your mode, click the drop down and select where it says dark, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.